When OpenAI rolled out ChatGPT 5.2, the reaction was anything but accepting. Let's call it loud and unforgiving. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. When ChatGPT upgraded to version 5.2, social feeds got full of frustrated posts, accusing the chatbot of becoming clunky and oddly painful to read. Now, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman has admitted that the new update has clearly missed the mark. No one ever expected that ChatGPT will admit its blunders that easily. Speaking at a developer town hall earlier this week, Altman didn't sugarcoat when he was asked about the backlash surrounding ChatGPT 5.2's awkward tone and weird responses. He bluntly confessed and said, "I think we just screwed that up. Ouch." According to Altman, the problem wasn't a bug, it was a choice. OpenAI deliberately poured most of its energy into making 5.2 smarter behind the scenes, trying to make its reasoning, coding, and engineering abilities better. But on the writing quality and conversational front, that's where they failed. Altman said, "We have limited bandwidth," explaining that when the team focuses heavily on one area, another inevitably suffers. Just one version earlier, ChatGPT 4.5 had been praised for feeling more natural, more human, and easier to work with. However, with 5.2 users say it's technically impressive, but it's also colder, wordier, and less pleasant to interact with. It's basically a bot acting like a bot. And when ChatGPT 5.2 was tested against Google's Gemini 3, the result was clear. While both platforms performed similarly, many users felt ChatGPT had lost some of its charm. But all in all, the good part is OpenAI is listening, as Altman has admitted the mistake, so maybe changes are coming. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like, comment, and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Did you know that saying please and thank you to ChatGPT could be costing millions? Yep, you heard that right. Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, dropped this wild fact, and we're diving into what it means. Every time you type please or thank you in a ChatGPT prompt, it's not just good manners, it's burning through serious cash. Why? Let's break down this mind-blowing revelation from Sam Altman himself. We've all done it, writing super polite prompts like, "Please, can you help me with this? Thank you." But here's the catch. Every word you type costs OpenAI servers to process, and those extra niceties add up big time. Sam Altman revealed that polite words like please and thank you contribute to millions in extra processing costs for ChatGPT. Why? Because AI doesn't care about manners. It's just crunching data. The fix? Keep your prompts short and direct. Instead of, "Please explain quantum physics, thank you," try, "Explain quantum physics." Same result, less cost. So why should you care about this? Let's talk benefits. First, you'll save time. Shorter prompts mean faster responses, whether you're studying, coding, or brainstorming. Second, you're helping AI systems like ChatGPT run more efficiently, which could keep costs down for everyone. And third, you'll look like an AI pro, crafting prompts like a boss. It's a win-win. You get answers faster and you're not accidentally spiking OpenAI server bills. Here's how to nail it. Open ChatGPT or your favorite AI tool. Instead of typing, "Please write a 500-word essay on climate change, thank you," just write a 500-word essay on climate change. Boom, done. The AI doesn't need the fluff. It's trained to understand clear instructions, so skip the pleasantries and get straight to the point. Pro tip, be specific about what you want, like adding in simple terms or with examples to get even better results. This isn't just about saving a few cents, it's about the big picture. As millions of us use AI daily, cutting out unnecessary words helps reduce the massive energy and compute power needed to run these systems. It's a small change that makes a huge difference. Plus, you'll feel like an AI insider, knowing you're prompting smarter while the world catches up. Ready to level up your AI game? Start typing shorter, sharper prompts today. It's free, fast, and makes you part of the AI revolution. Try it now and see the difference. Love staying ahead in tech? Hey tech fans! The AI war just got wild. OpenAI Sam Altman is calling out Meta for offering $100 million bonuses to steal his team. Is Meta desperate to win the AI race? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the juiciest tech drama. Let's dive into this epic showdown. On June 17, 2025, episode of the Uncapped podcast, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman dropped a bombshell. Meta tried to poach his top talent with giant salaries and $100 million bonuses and failed. This is just the latest twist in the heated AI battle between Meta, OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft. Want the full scoop? keep watching. Altman spilled the tea during an interview with his brother Jack Altman, saying Meta offered insane 9-figure salaries to lure OpenAI's best minds behind ChatGPT. But as Altman proudly noted, none of our best people have decided to take them up on that. Meta's swinging hard, but OpenAI's team staying loyal for now. Is Meta running out of moves? Meta's going all in to dominate AI. Mark Zuckerberg revealed in January they're investing at least $60 billion in AI this year alone. Last week, they sealed a $10 billion plus deal with Scale AI, bringing its founder Alexander Wang on board to boost Meta's AI game. Wang, a 2025 Forbes youngest billionaire, is said to help Meta challenge rivals like OpenAI and Google. Oh, and Meta's even planning ads on WhatsApp to fund this AI frenzy. This clash shows how fierce the AI race is getting. Meta's throwing billions and poaching talent to catch up, but OpenAI is holding strong. With Google and Microsoft also in the mix, the stakes are sky high. Can Meta's cash splash make them the AI king? Or is OpenAI's loyalty the real power move? What do you think? Meta's $100 million offers and billion-dollar deals are shaking up the industry. But Altman's confidence says OpenAI isn't backing down. As Meta pushes AI into WhatsApp and beyond, this fight's only getting hotter. Are you team OpenAI or rooting for Meta's comeback? Drop your take below. That's the scoop on the OpenAI Meta AI showdown. Are you shocked by Meta's $100 million poaching attempt? Or is their AI push stealing the show? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one.
The AI race just got a whole lot more intense, and Sam Altman is betting on memory big time. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of latest tech news. OpenAI boss has revealed that the next AI won't have faster reasoning or flashier tricks, it will remember everything. Altman calls it infinite, perfect memory. Imagine an assistant that recalls every word you've ever spoken, every document you've ever written, every detail of your life. Humans can't do it, but AI soon will. OpenAI aims to make this a reality by 2026. Right now, memory in AI is still early, but the company is racing to change that, especially with new competition heating up. Google's Gemini 3 is being called as a new era of intelligence, crushing industry benchmarks and growing its user base to over 650 million. OpenAI still dominates with ChatGPT at 800 million users, but its market share has dipped from 87% to 71% in just a year. Altman said it's good to be paranoid and act quickly, but there's no need to panic as Gemini 3 exposed weaknesses in OpenAI's products and strategy. Now the plan is to build the best models, wrap them in top-tier products, and ensure enough infrastructure to serve users at scale. In short, the AI battlefield is more crowded than ever, but OpenAI believes the ultimate edge will come not from faster processing or flashier features, but from memory, an AI that remembers everything, everywhere, all the time. If they succeed, AI future may just arrive sooner than anyone expects. Do you think their strategy will work? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update.